Is this thing on? Hi, I'm Vornivorn, Mr. Vornivorn. And tonight, I'm gonna teach you guys how to, make an orchestral template. Alright, so you see, an orchestral template is like a template for when you're composing music for, a full orchestra. Alright, let's get to it. Go to something like Muse Score. Then we go to something like, create a new score. Put the title, composer, and copyright, and other things. Damn. Alright, then we go to choose template file. I use these templates, which are just customized orchestral templates. Like Broadway almost. So let's go to General. Then we choose the instruments. And then we add to the instrument list. For example, we're doing the ordering in orchestral. Alright. Now we choose the category orchestra. And then we start off with the important part. Start off with the woodwinds. For example, we had one piccolo, got two flutes, two oboes, an English horn, two clarinets in B flat, a bass clarinet. Hold on, there. Go back there. And then we go to bassoons and a contrabassoon. Yeah, it's technically how you orchestrate the woodwind sections. Alright. So if you want the parts to fit, you need to change the staff spacing. So that's something I do. Something like this. There. You can see it's so small. And then here we are. We got the woodwind parts. And let's just edit them a little bit. Right. To make it look like finale notation. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's do interesting. And if you want, you can put a sound font. Excuse me, my bad. If you really want to, you can either put a sound font or something like, yes, a notation font. Like, for example, change it from Leland to Petaluma. Something like that. That's the music font I always use. I often change the text too, so let's just change that off camera. Alright then. So, yeah, that's basically how it is. I used Petaluma script and notice the change? Yeah, I'm noticing it too. Erase. Now we'll move on to the brass section. Go to alright, got some horns, the trumpets, the trombones, the tuba, And for some reason, I always edit the second trombone part to a bass trombone. You know, yeah. So I could, like, blah blah blah. I don't want to ruin anything. Alright, we know. So, like, we go to the horns. We just edit the names a little. Yeah. If you want, you can add like 5 or 6, but you know, you can always use this orchestral template. I don't mind. This is where things get a little tricky. Do the same as what we did for the horns. Put 1 and 2. And then we put 3 and 4. You don't have to put 3 and 4. I mean, not every orchestral piece has 3 to 4 trumpets. Sometimes they just have 2. Hell, even 1. Other times they have 6. And we also do the same with the trombones. Yeah. We're just editing away. And as for the tuba, not much to edit, but I always used the long instrument name as the short instrument name. Yeah. And then we all know what to do. We add the percussion. Yeah, and I mean all the mallet percussion, the main percussion. And then, like, we all know what we are supposed to do. Piano, the harp. Let me go back because I don't want to ruin the ordering. Timpani and other percussion instruments. And go to harp and piano. And if you want, you can add the vocals in there. You know, soprano, alto, tenor, bass. And then here's the important part. The strings. Never forget the strings, kids. Never forget those guys. Alright? And just gonna edit things here. Man, all this editing is making my head hurt. Why? And we have to do the annoying operation of the brackets. Let's just edit everything to my preferences, and we just, you know, oh, and you can modify the usable pitch ranges if you want. It could sound like finale. That's what I do. And yeah, here we have it. Let's take a look again. Yes. Yes, you can see it quite clearly. We have a full orchestra in the mix. And I have a template on MuseScore if you want to use it or anything. Anyways, stay safe, you guys. And I'll see you in the future. Farewell.